I think it's good enough, my dear. Yeah, I mean, look, you don't want to die out here. Here. Gracias por todo. Gracias. Thank you. They're just gonna come and shovel the snow again, you know? Huh? They're gonna come and shovel it and it's gonna just pile again.
I know, that's why I'm putting it up there.
Where are you putting it?
In the hill. So when it comes shoveling, it's lower, it's not that high.
Oh yeah?
Like you gonna shovel it on the hill. Instead of putting it back on the street, you put it back on the street and come right back.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm putting it on the hill.
On the hill? What do you mean by the hill? You mean up by the convenience store or just at the end?
Right there, the snow there.
Oh, okay. Are you going to drive it on top of the hill? Whoa, that's a smart idea. I don't think I can do that. I don't have the muscles.
Like right there.
Right here in the middle.
You mean here, pull it up? You think I should pull it up? Yeah, I should pull it up. You're right. You're right. Can I take a video of you? No, I won't. I'm just videoing the snowstorm because it's huge. Huh? No, it's an iPod. I think everybody should have this instead of a cell phone. It's so much. You know, you can't make phone calls on it, but you can make movies. You could take pictures. You can have songs. It's great.
Like the 4G phone.
Yeah, except that it's not a phone. But you know, like I spend $40 a month on my phone. Yeah. That's it. You know, Metro's PCS, and then I have this thing to play with. You know?
I used to have that phone.
Which one?
Metro PCS.
Yeah? Oh my goodness. You guys did such a good job. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. But I think you're right. If I pull my car up, it'll be better. Absolutely better. You're so right. Yeah, I will. Yeah. Alright, well, thanks for your help, neighbors. You're now on my video. Don't worry, I won't YouTube you. You're welcome. Where do you live? Right here?
Right there in the white door.
In the white door, yeah. I live in the red door, 23. Yeah. Alright. You guys did an amazing job.